My people, well done. We don't carry waka again enter streets. Wetin carry us enter streets today? Now the news where we hear say they don't increase fuel price again. Remember I said they first remove subsidy and they increase fuel to 511. Because they hear another news say they don't increase them again. Now so we say we enter streets, find out if this news they true. So we call carry waka enter filling station. The filling station where we dey now NNPC filling station. And when we reach here, they tell us say true they don't increase price. They increase them from 511 to 591. Now they say increase them so. So you now follow me for this waka. May we take know how Nigerians feel about the increment of this fuel price. My name still remains Pelumi Mukoro.
A terrible thing, oh. The common man cannot feed. People cannot go around. How do you want us to go? Now, if this thing is affecting everybody altogether, no problem. But the idea is that they are increasing their own salary, president and others increasing their salary, National Assembly increasing their salary. The common man, they don't have anything. I think there can be a revolution if care is not taken. I'm afraid they are pushing the people to the wall. Let them watch out.
We masses, we dey suffer. Let's be sincere and let's say the truth. We are suffering from first subsidy to now. For 600, where are we going to? Where are we going to? Government, we are begging you people. Because now my slippers are fair, slippers are dear. I beg, I don't tire to the trek. I don't tire. Shoemaker now, I can't get customer for shoemakers. I should all the cut. I just got beg now for it all too dear. More than they hear me, because find money not the affair to now. Corner the office. Now we the masses in the affair. I beg you now. With my papa, you saluba ya new wa. If we gang go, wala wa more so tall. So far not be here. Imagine people get car they go buy fuel. They'll go mechanic workshop. How much they gain? We where they come back things for market or they sell for market. We they suffer. I just got beg una shop rent now they don't increase them because of fuel matter. I beg una money reduce fuel subsidy. I beg una 600 too much. We just got beg una wala.
Early in the morning, I buy fuel 520. But when I go back in the afternoon, I go see say na 600. So the thing they affect us very well. At least when fuel be 220. If you work, we go see money for hand. But now, if you work, you go see the money. But once you enter filling station, money don't finish for your hand. So the thing they affect us. And even people know they work again. They affect business. People know they move again. You stay, you know, see passenger carry, no see people carry. So they affect us. They affect everybody. At least make government make sure say they reduce the fuel, go down, because the fuel is too high. They affect everybody. They affect our businesses.
They say that it's market forces that is determining the price. So I need to still come and buy it the way it is. They say they have removed subsidy, and so that's why we are going through all this. Well, people are agitating for palliative, but I wonder how far the palliative will go in helping the citizens.
591. How many you go put for your motor where you go carry you reach somewhere? And we have government. We are coming. God will find a way to punish the so-called leaders. God will punish them. You understand? All of them will get harm for the whole thing. God will punish them. I've said it. Our prayer will push them to hell.
Maximum. Now they tell me so. So now what they tell me now? So what we will do now? We don't see bad. More they look where the country they go. We never even recover. They don't increase them. What they say they want to do for us? They never. If I say I tell them. I not go tell them what I'm not supposed to tell them. But I hope say he will know what to do at the end of the day. They better do something. You know, this will not be the right time because now they're supposed to do something to cushion the effect. What is supposed to make it do something? Make they see their own effect first to see what they don't do for ground. Roads are bad. All those roads, I don't suppose they drive with this kind of money where they buy for how they drive now. I will see the CEO door bad road. That one will come to join the one where I did. All those things now, I don't suppose they see bad road, more especially federal road. Suppose you're smooth. I will buy for of even now 600. I will go out straight. That one will see cool my mind. All those things. Not be no one there, no road, no this one, no that they increase school fees, that they do the rubbish. I know we not get one what they believe Nigeria government that all they do.
As I talk with you, I know they talk because of the fact that they work for anybody or body or persons. I they speak for myself and myself alone, and my personal opinion about the position. How they tell you this point they're important. Okay? The truth be say, what did they happen for Nigeria? They shock all of us. They shock all of us. Government also recognize that we are shocked. And that is the reason we are also even surprised that the previous one way happen, they never finish her. Then another one don't come jump in again. It's, I don't know, I really don't know where we are heading. The point is that we are all now pained to the marrow, and I pray that the situation will be under control soon. For me, it could make them look back into our various economic policies. Because what will take us here, now our wrong economic policies where we make, we touch our economy. I have the conviction that we can get it right. Those in authority should see it as a matter of urgency to address the situation. I know they will have solutions.
Na shock of the moment. Let me just use that language. And I think say all over the world, no country where they no subsidize anything for their citizen. But this country, now me I go see government, there is nothing the masses, they enjoy from government than this fuel of a thing. No free education, no free health care, nothing whatsoever. But this fuel, where then they put subsidy, where masses they enjoy, now they don't remove gabadaya, which is outrageous and is even it doesn't make sense for a reasonable government. This issue of a fuel, this issue of a fuel where we now they talk about. Now almost 99% of Nigeria. See, don't let us deceive ourselves. Oh. Rich man no go know this one for body. Oh. Now the poor masses, now this thing they pepper very well. They pepper us as if tomorrow no day. And the hardship, no increment of salary, no nothing. Did they want us to rebel? And if it gets to that, I don't think the government too, and all those people where they government, I don't think say them go stay if it turns to that, because they just want to scatter this country with useless politics where then they bring up and down.
My people, we don't go and we don't come back, and we say the matter not true. They don't increase fuel price. For money, we hear say na 617. When we go NNPC, their own price na 591. And when we go other filling station, their own na 600 naira. I also see how Nigerians stay feel about how they don't increase fuel now. So my people, till another time when we carry waka enter street. My name na Pelumi Mukoro from Benin City, TMC TV. My people, you know well done.